Lose the difficulty of affiliate marketing with these tips. Many people have made a substantial profit from affiliate marketing. If you take the time to learn about it, you will see that it is very profitable. Apply the tips in this video to start seeing positive results from affiliate marketing business ventures. If you find the website of the product owners not very well done, you can easily find affiliate link cloaker tools. These programs allow you to link any page from the company's website. Link your audience directly to the page where they can buy the product if your own website provides enough content. If you are trying to make some extra money online and are thinking about doing affiliate marketing, you might want to pay someone else to set up a website for you. There are a variety of companies that guarantee a payout if you go through them to set up your affiliate advertising venture. Diversify your affiliate marketing strategy. Do not put all of your advertising eggs in a single basket. No matter how tightly you focus on a particular niche, you should be able to find more than one affiliate to partner with. Maintaining good relationships with multiple affiliates will give you a safety net in case one advertiser ceases to be profitable. Real-time statistics should be used so that you can track your sales on that site. You should be given a username and password so that you can log on and see exactly what sales you have made to the minute. You will be able to track the banners, text links and recommendations that are drawing in business. Using this advice, you should be able to make great inroads into your affiliate marketing campaign. Learn as much as you can about it. Research different affiliates and join an online forum to get tips and advice from experienced affiliate marketers. Do you want to know how to leverage the power of a sales funnel to generate $100,000 in a month? I have great news for you. Today and today only, you can access 1. A free full course on the secrets of a sale funnel. 2. A free book on how to generate traffic for your offer. 3. Start to use my software for free to create your own affiliate program. Click the link below to start.